Welcome back, Flutter enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of Flutter development, asynchronous programming. If you've ever wondered how to handle tasks simultaneously in your Flutter apps, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be mastering asynchronous programming like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Asynchronous programming allows your app to perform tasks or operations to run independently and concurrently, without waiting for each other to complete before moving on to the next task. We need asynchronous programming, because, in traditional synchronous programming, tasks are executed one after another, and the program waits for each task to finish before proceeding to the next one. So that was it for the theory part. Now let's kick things off with some code example. So here I've opened my IDE, and here we have this empty main function. Now come up above here, and create new function as print order message. This function is marked as async, because it can perform asynchronous operations. Inside it, let's print awaiting user order. Then we will await the result of fetch user order function in this order variable. And don't worry about this function, we will create this function very shortly. Then again make use print statement, and now we will print the received order. Now let's create the fetch user order function. So, the fetch user order function simulates fetching an order after a delay of 4 seconds. It returns a future that resolves to a string, representing the user's current order. Now let's create another function, the countSeconds function. Demonstrates how to execute delayed tasks using future.delayed. Here, we loop through each second up to the specified time and print the current second. Now let's move to the main function. It's also marked as async because we use await to wait for the print order message function to complete before continuing. After that, we call the countSeconds function to count up to 4 seconds. Now that was it, now let's run this program. And here in console let's wait for the 4 seconds, and then it will print the order. Then after it will print the number every second. So as you can see, this countSeconds function has waited for 4 seconds, until this print order message function has not finished. Now let's do one thing, remove the await from here, and now run this code again. And now you can see, our counting is started and after 4 seconds, our order print statement get printed. This time this behavior happened because, we are not waiting for ending the execution of print order message. This time these both two functions executed simultaneously. So that was it for async and await. If you found this video helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe to Widget Wisdom.